Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I'll show you how to create class icon pack in Samsung smartphones and tablets running One UI. So then for more delay, let's begin. So firstly, just open the Galaxy Store and just search for one application name as GoodLock. And the first is you'll see the application, just click on it. As I've already downloaded and installed it, so I'm not going to do it again. So firstly, you download and install this GoodLock, and if this GoodLock is not available for your respective Samsung smartphone, then what you can do is just open the Play Store and just search for one application name as FindLock, and the first is you'll see the application. So install either GoodLock or FindLock, whichever supports your Samsung smartphone, and after that just open the GoodLock or FindLock and just click on this plugins, and you need to download one plugin named as TeamPerk. So I've already downloaded and installed this TeamPerk also. So you firstly download and install this plugin TeamPerk, and after that just open it, and now here you will see icon option, just click on it. Now just click on this create new. Now here you can see icon pack written, you can just click on it and you can select your respective icon pack if you have a different icon pack that you want to use. So right now I'll use the default one, and below you will see a shape, and below to it you can see a effects. Just click on this up arrow icon. Now you will see your glass option, just click on it. Now you can see the preview on the above. You can change the edge effects, you can change the light effects, you can change the angle effects of this glass effect. So once you're done, just click on this icon, keep the icon pack name, click on OK. So finally we have created a class icon pack. Now in order to apply, just click on it and click on apply. You can minimize it. Now you can see we have applied this class icon pack for our respective Samsung smartphones. And if you want to restore it back, then just open back the TeamPerk application and just click on the glass icon which we have applied. Click on this unapply, and it will restore back to the default icon pack. So by using these cool tricks, you can easily create class icon pack in Samsung smartphones and tablets running One UI very easily. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then you should definitely give it a try. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.